Today, we're diving into how you can craft impactful thought leader posts on LinkedIn using ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to establish yourself as an expert in your field or simply want to engage more with your network, this video will show you how to leverage the power of AI to create compelling content. Let's get started. A compelling opening is the key to capturing your audience's attention on LinkedIn. This approach sets the stage for the rest of your post and entices readers to continue engaging with your content. So let's explore how ChatGPT can assist in creating these powerful openings. For example, if your topic is the future of AI in the job market, you might prompt ChatGPT with like this: generate a bold statement, a thought provoking question, and a surprising fact about AI's impact on future job markets. So, now that you have your prompt put together right here and pasted in the input box, let's see how it depends on how ChatGPT would generate the results based on this. Let's see. As you can see, ChatGPT can provide several options for each type of opening. Here are a few examples it generated. There's the bold statement right here, the thought-provoking question, surprising fact right here. So yeah, choose the one that best fits your message and audience, and use it to hook your readers from the very first line. See? Finding a unique angle is crucial for making your LinkedIn posts stand out. ChatGPT can help by offering different perspectives on your topic. For instance, if you're discussing the future of AI in the job market, you can prompt ChatGPT right here to explore a range of viewpoints. Here's the prompt: provide optimistic, cautious, and neutral perspectives on how AI will impact future job markets. So let's see how this one turns out. So here, ChatGPT delivers diverse insights right here, such as neutral perspective. There are different ones right here. So much details and information right here. So yeah, using these varied perspectives, you can craft a post that not only informs but also engages by addressing different facets of the topic. This approach ensures your content is well rounded and thought provoking, appealing to a broader audience. Engaging narratives are at the heart of effective thought leader posts. Storytelling makes your points relatable and memorable, drawing readers in with real life examples and personal insights. Now, let's see how ChatGPT can help craft these compelling stories. For instance, if you want to highlight a professional's journey in adapting to AI driven changes, we can prompt ChatGPT over here with, let's say, create a narrative about a professional who successfully adapted to AI driven changes in their industry. Include challenges faced, solutions found, and the ultimate outcome. Now let's see how ChatGPT would generate based off this one. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT can generate a detailed story into different sections right here, different narratives right here, like this one. So, yeah. So, by using ChatGPT to outline such narratives, you can easily weave them into your posts, making your content more engaging and impactful. Real life stories like this one, Emily's story right here, that resonates with readers, offering inspiration and practical insights. It's pretty cool, huh? To add credibility and depth to your posts, enhance them with data and real world examples. This not only supports your points, but also demonstrates through research and authority on the subject. So let's see how ChatGPT can assist us in finding relevant statistics and case studies. For example, if we need data on AI's impact on jobs, we can prompt over here on ChatGPT, like, say, provide recent statistics, my apologies for that, on the impact of AI on job markets, including both job losses and new job creations. There we go. Let's see how ChatGPT would provide us with more statistics. So you can see it's browsing websites right here. Yep. As you'll see, ChatGPT might generate insights like these ones. So right here, let's scroll up and see what we can do. Job losses and displacement. There we go. There are the sources right here. Job creation and new opportunities, sector-specific impacts, long-term trends and investments, and yeah, these are about the ones that ChatGPT had recommended for us. So by incorporating such data and examples, your posts become more informative and trustworthy. ChatGPT can help you quickly gather this information, ensuring your content is both compelling and well supported. To build a vibrant community on LinkedIn, it's essential to encourage interaction and discussion. Asking open ended questions and including calls to action can significantly increase engagement. Let's see how ChatGPT, once more, can help craft these interactive elements. For instance, if your post is about AI's impact on the job market, same as always, throughout this video, you can prompt right over here. So let's say, generate engaging questions and calls to action related to AI's impact, sorry about that, on future job markets. So let's see. Here, ChatGPT has provided several suggestions here. There are the call to action, engaging questions like what ethical considerations, yada, 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 educational institutions, stay ahead on the curve for the calls to action, get involved in shaping the future. And yeah, these questions and calls to action not only invite your audience to engage, but also foster meaningful discussions and insights. Using ChatGPT to generate these interactive elements can save you time and ensure your posts are consistently engaging.